with Kelly and Ryan.
Well, it's National Taco Day, and we are going to help you celebrate with a delicious recipe from one of our favorite chefs. Please welcome back to the show, Chris Valdes.
Chris, we're very excited.
Happy National
excited
Taco
to be here.
Day.
National Taco Day on Taco Tuesday.
Yes, it's so perfect. It's serendipitous. What are we making?
It was meant to happen. We're going to make some carne asada tacos with some pico de gallo.
Okay.
Yes, so if you want to help me cut some onions right there, and we're going to make the marinade. And the marinade is what brings that sabor, that little, seasoning that's going to go inside our meat. So we're going to start by squeezing some onions. I'm squeezing some limes.
He's cutting the onions and I'll squeeze the juice.
Yes. So squeeze the juice. And actually, Kelly, that's great. Right there. So we're using sour oranges, but if we don't have sour oranges, we're going to use a mix of oranges and limes.
Okay.
And then
sour oranges.
Yes. So and then we're also going to add some of this ajo, garlic. It's also Hispanic heritage, so I like saying things in Spanish.
Yes, you should.
Yes. So
as
ajo.
You should.
And also when I get angry, I scream it in Spanish, just for this one.
Good. Perfect.
¿Por qué hiciste eso? Like on novela style.
Very good.
And we're going to add some chipotle salsa. Okay. It's going to add a little smokiness in there.
Yes.
And we're going to mix this up. And we need a little more juice here. I'm going to have
more juice. I wasn't sure how much juice.
Ryan, have you been going to the gym? This is a good workout right here.
You have to ask? Is it the imagery apparent?
I mean, can't you tell?
Let's see. Let's see.
There we go. All right. Yeah, that's going to give it a nice sweet flavor with the acidity of the lime.
So once we mix that, we're going to add this marinade to our steak right here.
Coming on.
And we're going to do a little
swap. What kind of steak is that?
We're using a flank.
Steak?
A flank, yes. And by the way, you could also use some churrasco. You could use some flat meat. That's fine. And this is how it ends. We want to marinate this for 2 to 4 hours or overnight.
So that's not cooked, just marinated.
It's just marinated.
Okay.
So it's just, getting that flavor.
Yes, it's sinking in.
Cast iron skillet or grill, heat it up. Once it's throwing some smoke, we're going to add a little bit of oil.
Okay.
And we're going to season this with some salt, if you want to help me with the salt.
Season this?
Yes. A little salt, a little black pepper.
Beautiful.
And then we're going to add this to our cast iron skillet. And we want to hear a nice little... look at that.
What's the Spanish word for that?
Buenísimo. So we're going to let this cook for about 5-7 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. And once it's ready, we're going to give it a flip. And this is what we end up with.
Nice flip.
Okay, let's take a break while it cooks. We'll be right back and finish it up on National Taco Day. National Taco Day, Chef Chris Valdes. We are back making the pico de gallo. You say always serve it fresh.
Always serve it fresh. And the key to a good taco is freshness. Warm tortillas. If you can make them fresh, go for it. So we're going to make our pico de gallo. Ooh, you squirted there, Kelly.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Can we chop the cilantro? Or
yes. So we have some chopped right here. So our pico de gallo is basically like a tomato salsa. Some tomatoes, some cilantro, garlic, some onions, some jalapeno. If you want a little spicier, add some
everybody wants it spicy.
And once we have everything, I'm ready to make my taco.
Okay.
Here's our pico de gallo.
Yum, yum.
And you know what I love about tacos? We have some tortillas there. I like making a spread like this at home and inviting the family and some friends and making a spread like this because this brings people together in the kitchen.
Great conversation.
Tacos is a great idea for that. So we have some steak.
Do you typically grill your tortillas first?
I warm them up in a little skillet on both sides. So. And look at these little onions, Ryan, the ones that you cut up.
Oh, those are, they're going to be nice and sweet and caramelized.
Nice little sweetness.
I like mine a little warm.
Okay.
So,
and with tacos, you can make so many different kinds of tacos, too. We're doing carne asada, but you can do so many different things.
And you could even make some vegan tacos, and you could add some fajita tacos just with peppers and onions. So I'm going to add some pico de gallo.
Okay.
Share a little right here.
Oh, yes.
Get a bite of that.
Thank you.
Let me
this
get you one
recipe, you can go to kellyandryan.com. Absolutely delicious looking. I'm going to load mine up.
So much.
Taste and Chef Chris Valdes, thank you for coming. We'll be right back here on Live.
If you would like to try Chris's recipe, just log on to our website at kellyandryan.com.